Hello friends. In this session, I want to discuss about the operational management data and how this data can help you to achieve business excellence. As we know, we are discussing mainly about digital supply chain and the whole digital supply chain operations is like heart. It's driving the whole thing actually. It's your production, it's your quality, it's your quantity what you produce it, the best plant utilization, how your machines are delivering the good quality products, how your sales and operation planning is very effective to organize the various resources like materials, machines, manpower, and get you the product at a good quality, at a good price, which will be accepted into the market and your customers will be very happy. So keeping customers happy, you have to ensure that customer gets a right product, right quantity, right quality at a right time, at a right price. So this is what is going to be our objective. So when I'm mentioning the achieving the business excellence, my business excellence idea is that we have to keep customers happy. If the customers are happy, they go on placing you more orders, your business goes on growing up, and at that time, if your operation performance or operational excellence is there, then you achieve the best results. Your profitability goes up, your production performance, productivity is good actually. So the operational data is basically the shop floor data, which if you have seen it at the center, it's there actually. Now this depends, of course, in the whole way is an integration. It depends upon your master production schedule, depending upon the market requirement. You have to also consider your plant capacity. You have to also ensure that your material requirement planning is very good enough to take into consideration all those various factors and parameters and all that. As I mentioned it to you about the digital supply chain with an emerging technology plays a very important role. It captures all the real-time data and help you to do this planning, whether it's your master capacity planning, production planning, or material requirement planning. That really keeps all activities to its optimum level. And at a shop floor level, when you are actually producing the product, I'm again coming to my digital supply chain. Digital supply chain has also a new technology called either Internet of Things or Industrial Internet of Things, which can capture the data directly from your manufacturing machine. You can even set parameters along with the sensors and can also generate an alarm at a shop floor also. But at the same time, this data can also go onto your cloud system where the cloud can also correlate all the data. It can also do the analytics, the big data and all, to identify what are the best parameters. And if the parameters are crossing the limit, it can also generate, one is an alarm at a shop floor, but it can also generate alarms at a higher level also, if you want to share that information to the various stakeholders, and then they can really take a necessary prompt actions and all that. But the shop floor management, I'm talking about the smart manufacturing now over here, is becoming a very important, very crucial, and then that can really drive your operational excellence and business excellence over there. This also gets supported by the product, batch detail, the process parameters, and in fact, the material inventory availabilities and all that. And then that data can also leads to product costing information, which can check necessary other parameters and show you whether your products or batches are in profit or in loss, or if there is anything, which are the standard parameters we should monitor it, or how they are crossing the limits or something. So this is becoming very important, very crucial. It's basically getting more and more complex, but if you adopt to the right emerging technologies, it can really drive, and then things are not people dependent, but they are system dependent. And if you build up a strong, simple system, the system can drive, and the system can help you to produce a good quality product, which is what is becoming. And if you look at it, more regulatory industries where this process monitoring is becoming a very crucial thing, and that can really drive the business. Hope in a few minutes of time I try to brief you and show you the importance, and then which are the parameters we should take it up into consideration and all that. In case if you need more help onto this, feel free to contact us, or share this with your network also, who can also help you and improving this thing. And please do subscribe, so that you will get more inputs like this continuously. Thank you and bye.